All right, guys, we're gonna go check out, they call it a Boise Supercar meet at Simmons Fine Jewelry in Meridian here. So I just woke up from a nap, but we're gonna go cruise over there, see if it's any good. All right, so it's pretty cool. The car scene in Boise when I originally moved here was pretty much null and void. As of recent, we're seeing a ton more car meets pop up, car shows, shops hosting, meets and things like that. So it's pretty cool to be a part of a growing scene as it gains popularity and as more enthusiasts join in the area. It's just rad to see the different cars, community coming together, and I'm happy to be a part of it. So yeah, let's see what this one has and how the turnout is. This is their second, I guess, kind of hosted event that they call the Supercar car meet, and let's see how many supercars are actually there. It'll be pretty cool. All right, so at a glance, this is a sample of the Boise car scene here. A little bit of everything. Take a little walk down the lane here. Desma Sudici start up. 911. Bodies. I wonder if I could park right here. Ooh, that Honda looks sick. I believe. I like it. Some Beamers. C7, C06. A couple more 335s, Audis. I wonder if I could park my car over here maybe. Or if it's just kind of first come, first serve. See if I can fit in right here. Oof, man. Look at this. There's the real bad boy. GT3 RS. Yeah. Dude, they got everything here. This one looks. It's that GT4. It's my buddy. I forget what his name was. He's cool. He comes out to the autocrosses. Hey, what's up? Man, look for that drive. It's pretty cool to see the scene in Idaho and kind of see how many actual exotics there are. You know, you've got a mix of old cars and new. A little bit of everything, honestly. Oof, that Viper's bad. Look at that thing. Oh, the old one. Little Jag. What was that, a Modena? Lambo. A couple more fun cars up front. We'll see 7 Z06 again. It's just cool because like I didn't even know all these cars were here in Idaho. Look at this Datsun. Oh my gosh. Perfection. That thing is so sick. You got the Atom. Yeah, that thing's pretty nice. Pretty sick, huh? You got your 911s again. Whoa, look at this bad boy. New M3 with that big old grill. I'm not personally a fan, but I appreciate the car. I'd rather have that 911 right there. That thing is stunning. Look at that. Oh. Anybody want a drag strip or what? Or wrap around a tree over here? Just kidding. No hard feelings. I'll Lots of Mustangs. Look at all the muscle cars we got too. We got a good mix of everything. This is sick. So if you thought Boise didn't have a car scene, think again. It's growing. It's not as crazy as, you know, San Diego, LA, San Jose, but we're working on it, all right? This is pretty sick. These are beautiful cars. So fun. Oh my gosh, that thing's bad. Some more like classics. Woo. Big old monster truck with a way too big a sound system. Gotta have one of those. Let's check out the other side too. Check out this little Porsche. Beautiful. Goals, that thing is so clean. Oh, I love it. Some more telephone pole wrappers. Shelby, beautiful. Skyline. Got some of the imports over here. Some over there too. Pretty sick. Woohoo. Pretty cool. Do you even drift, bro? Skyline. Gotta have a Skyline.
They're in the car with John.
ACR looks insane.
John was the youngest.
I don't even know if the cars I'm saying are correct or not, but pretty sure I'm close. There's a new Supra back there behind the Skyline. Yeah, let's see what we got on this last little aisle.
So did you ever go out since you lived there? Did you ever go out?
Viper VR4, maybe? Hope so. Those are cool. Dang, look at that thing. That thing's insane looking. Lots of work. Hashtag downforce. And then some food trucks. We've seen this guy before. Pretty sick. SUV hybrid, huh? All right, so just cruised through all the rows here. Pretty sick turnout, and yeah, pretty good. Little scene growing here in Boise. We got quite a few more supercars than usual, and quite a few Porsches, which is sick. So it's always fun to see some of the newer cars come out. And yeah, pretty stoked. Time to get back home, hang out with the baby and mama, and chill. It's a blacked out Porsche. Here's my little guy back here. Nobody even sees him. He's undercover, man. I still think, you know, I'm a little biased, but I think this thing's pretty bad.